Hello, good evening. This is my recipe for tonight. I have a pancit noodle instead of noodle soup. This is my ingredients for my pancit noodles. So instead of making a noodle soup, I'm going to have a pancit noodle. So I didn't include the MSG inside of the noodles. So I'm going to put a hot water, 2 cups of hot water. And then I'm going to add salt, so that we have already the salt absorbed in the noodles. So I'm going to add another water, so I let it soak for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to saute. Yeah, mixing. Ayan. Alright, our noodles is getting ready soon. So we have to soak that for 3 minutes, and then we're going to do the other stuff. So I'm using the unsalted butter. Some salted butter that I'm using. Then I have to saute the onion and garlic. So this is the first time I made this pancit using the noodles. Saute tayo. Saute natin to, saute. So, ang ingredients ko dito ay mayroon akong bacon, capsicum, garlic and onion, and carrots and mushroom. And I'm going to add a little bit of spring onion on the top, but not too much, just for the design. So now I'm going to cook the bacon. And I'm in rush. It's better to cook the bacon, like crunchy. You make it brown. I was cooking the bacon with the butter. Yes, this is so quick. So that's all my dinner. That's my dinner. You say cooking and cooking. Cooking. Pagod sa trabaho, galing pag-uwi, nag-isip ng magkain kasi wala ang pagkain. So yan yung naisip kong madaling gawin dahil may bacon kami. Inisip ko na at saka may mushroom kami na flat mushroom, medyo magiging luma na. So decided to make this recipe. So making pancit noodles instead of noodle soup. So yan, gutom na, kainan natin guys. Ang sarap ng bacon kahit hindi luto, diba? Sarap! Ayan, ang sarap ng bacon. What? Hey. Kalian can you open this? Huh? No,
moments
Aba,
later.
ayan. Yan na yung ating pancit noodles. Ayan, pancit noodles. Sana mayroon tayong ibang green para masaya. Ayan. Let's eat na. Kainan na. Excited na yung dami.